Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to take the data I've created in Tracker and put it into Google Spreadsheet where I can make some adjustments to it before I use it in Geogebra. So one handy thing I can do is I press this arrow here. It makes the whole screen turn into the list of data points, so it's easy to see them. I can simply copy all of them full precision like this. And then I can right click on this one corner, paste into Google Spreadsheet. Now here I can see that all my numbers are in scientific notation, so I want to go down, making it so I highlight them all, go to Format, Number, and make them just a regular number. And now I can do things like, let's say one good idea is let's adjust the time factor. We want the first data point to be at, let's say, time equals 0. So I'm going to make an adjusted time column. So then I'm going to go here. The way to go is equals, click on this cell, and subtract 1.54. So now it's set to 0, 0. Copy that cell, paste it all the way down here. So now I have an adjusted time scale. Now, for example, let's say I want to make an adjustment to the x coordinates here. Right? What I've got set up for x is that the table itself is basically where x is, where x equals 0. But I could adjust it. I could adjust to make this equal to the zero value for x. Or here, if I wanted to change the y coordinates, I could create where the ball is rolling on the ground the 0 value for the y-axis. The reason I might want to do this is because notice, remember, when I was plotting the point, I was plotting the point on the top of the ball, the topmost part of the ball. So here, if I set this equal to 0 and adjust all these values accordingly, that then brings that down to where the ball then ends up resting on the x-axis itself. So there's a variety of things I can do here with Google Spreadsheet to easily make adjustments to my data so that it's easier to use within the Geogebra program. For example, let's say I'm looking at, I only want to look at after the ball falls off the table. Well, I can see that the y values are constant, basically. I messed up a little bit on plotting the point here. But here you can see the y values begin to change. So what I can do is I could take this here as the first, here I just go equals and bring this cell over, enter, and let's see, we go down, where does it first bounce? Here it goes to the lowest number and then it gets bigger again. So this then these are all the points where the ball is falling but has not bounced yet. So I can use these then. I could use these sets of data values right here. I could even change and adjust this time value to making this time equal to 0 if I wanted to do that. All right. But either way, here I've got basically a set of values of the ball free falling through space. So that's just some of the several different things I can use the Google Spreadsheet to help me create data that can then go into Geogebra. That's it.